The handle assembly allows you to raise and lower your pointer's carriage. The assembly consists of a new adjustment handle with a gauge and the screw to attach it. The most common issues with the handle are accidental breakage, often caused by something falling on it or from the pointer tipping over, and a worn key, usually caused by a loose attachment screw. Replacing the handle assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The adjustment handle is held in place with a single screw. I'll use the wrench that came with the pointer to remove it. Once the screw is loosened, you can just simply pull the handle off of the adjustment rod. Now I can install the new handle. You'll notice that the hole in the handle is shaped like a D. The flat portion of the D should line up with the flat spot milled on the adjustment spindle. I'll align the two and then secure the handle with the new screw that came with it. And that's how easy it is to replace the adjustment handle on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up